Surfaces should be structurally sound, without debris. Remove objects that could penetrate membrane, for example, nails. The gaps between lagging boards should not exceed 2 inches. Use Polyflow 1515P as drainage board. Place the Underseal Blindside membrane on the wall, the polyethylene backing side toward the Polyflow 15. For end laps, allow an overlap of minimum 3 inches, maximum 4 inches. Apply fasteners at not greater than 12-inch spacing. Place a 12-inch strip of fabric tape prepared with 650 LT adhesive. Inside and outside corners on vertical blindside are self-created. Place a sheet of cementitious board if the beams are to be cut. For penetrations, a patch of blindside membrane is required to close the gap. Prime the patch with 650 LT adhesive at a rate of 50 to 75 square feet per gallon. Prime the area around the pipe with 650 LT adhesive or California sealant. Seal the edges of the patch to existing membrane with fabric tape. Apply LM95 on the outside edge of the fabric tape. While the 650 LT liquid adhesive is still tacky, seal the pipe with the LM95. Blindside membrane forms a strong mechanical bond with the concrete. Blindside membrane has a 217-pound puncture resistance.